Welcome to Evergreen Networking. People often ask us, why should a company hire Evergreen to train their team about LinkedIn? Well, there are actually three reasons why you might want to hire Evergreen to teach your team about LinkedIn. Number one is your team needs to learn how to use LinkedIn to actually be effective. A lot of people are just wasting time on the feed. I'm not saying that you should use LinkedIn to replace your traditional prospecting, but really to complement what they're already doing so that you can also use their personal brand to grow your business. The second reason why hiring us to do a LinkedIn workshop might be a great idea is because it's productive for the team to get together, like a team building activity with education that drives revenue. Plus, your team can support each other on LinkedIn and give your company even more exposure. And number three, LinkedIn is the largest professional social network in the world, and people are literally underutilizing LinkedIn. A few LinkedIn tips will help your team be able to get so much more out of the platform without wasting any time. So you might be wondering, what are the benefits of attending a LinkedIn corporate workshop? Well, when your team attends this workshop, they're going to get information that is actionable and information that they can use right now. More of your clients will be able to find them on LinkedIn because their profiles are going to be optimized. They're also going to learn how to know how to start more conversations with qualified leads and prospects. And that leads to more referrals and new business. And your team is going to get actionable insights and strategies that they can use right now. Well, you might be wondering, what can you expect from a LinkedIn workshop? Well, you can expect to get information that is usable, that is not overwhelming, and everything we teach is very actionable. It's not hypothetical. People often ask us, who should attend a LinkedIn workshop? We recommend that salespeople, sales managers, sales directors, anyone in a sales role should be in this workshop. We also recommend people in marketing, people that assist the sales team in sales enablement, marketing managers, CMOs, marketing directors should all attend this workshop. And if you have staff in HR or in recruiting, maybe they need to learn how to use LinkedIn as well, so you can invite them to the workshop as well. The executives of the company often join, especially if they're the rainmakers of the company, and anyone that might use their personal brand or their personal network to promote the company should probably attend the LinkedIn workshop. How do you get started with the LinkedIn corporate workshop? Well, the first step is we schedule a date that works for you and your team. We book that date in the calendar, and then we invite all the people in your company that are going to be attending the workshop. We're going to need a list from you with the first name, the last name, their email address, preferably in a spreadsheet, and then we'll take it from there. We'll invite everybody, create a Zoom link, and send a calendar invite for the date we selected. The event will be recorded and transcribed, and we can make the recording available on demand in case your team wants to watch it again. Typically, workshops last about an hour, and your team is going to get a lot of insights that they can apply right away. They might want to dig in and update their profiles after the workshop, so leave some time internally to debrief and for them to get some work done. We often hear people say, Joe, I know this was an hour workshop, but it felt like it was only 15 minutes because it was so engaging. Well, we keep your team engaged, laughing, and having fun while they're actually learning. We routinely get 5 out of 5 stars on every workshop that we do, so you can be sure that this workshop is going to be a hit with your team. Thank you so much for your time today. Looking forward to seeing you inside the workshop. Boom.